Hi everybody and warm welcome to another wonderful video of the Credit Card Life. My name is Amit and with the help of this wonderful video I want to talk about one of the most reliable and yet most affordable credit card of India, primarily for the people those who are just getting started in the credit card business. I'm talking about a card which is known as a Simply Click card, which is this, and mark my words, it is one of the most beautiful and gorgeous looking credit card still active and up and running in the Indian market right now. Now, when you talk about this particular card, I have got multiple important points which I want to share. There are a lot of changes which has happened in the recent past and you should know about it. But apart from that, I want to highlight one of those rare things which I don't think people normally even talk about. So for example, if you take the envelope of this particular card, so-called Simply Click, and just touch and feel it, and if you compare this envelope with the American Express envelope, let me know which one is the hardy and the tough one and more reliable one compared to American Express versus Simply Click or any of the SBI credit card envelope. Do let me know in the comment. Now, according to me, if I really have to rate the best possible online credit card and even a cashback card, then ICICI SBI cashback is the most affordable, the most king when it comes to giving a lot of benefits. But if you ask me for a free credit card, which is this almost free, then I think this card still has a lot of value in Indian market. Let's talk about it. Now, the first thing first, which you all should know, and I've just made a note of it, is this particular credit card is not going to give you rent points from 1st of April 2024. Yes, you heard that right. Point number two, there are no transactions which are going to fetch you any more reward points starting June 2024. And as you all know, the Amazon more reliable partner for 10x point has been barred quite some time ago. Now let's begin some of the more concrete information about this particular card. So when you get this particular card, the basic fee structure what you have is $499 plus taxes, and the renewal is the same. Now do remember, if you spend 1 lakh and rupees in a particular year, the second year you get the waiver, and along with that you also have milestones of so-called, for example, for 1 lakh you get 2000 clear trip voucher. For 2 lakhs you get another 2000 rupees. So almost by spending 3 lakh rupees in a specific year, you can easily get 4000 clear trip voucher, which can only be redeemed for flights and hotels. And do remember, the validity of these vouchers are only for 4 months. I've lost both of my vouchers, so I'm just trying to kind of share with all of you. Apart from that, you also have this Amazon voucher which you get as a joining bonus post you pay $499 plus taxes. So these are the major highlights of this particular card. But apart from that, the basic thing which you should know is about to come. Now, some of the benefits of this particular card, which is why I said this is one of the most affordable online credit card, is this. When you do a transaction with application like let's say Swiggy, Apollo, NetMeds, Book My Show, Clear Trip, Domino's, Myntra and Yatra, you're supposed to get 10x points. When you spend 100 rupees, you're going to get 10x point, 10 points for these applications. Barring these applications, whenever you spend online, you're going to get 5x points. The monthly capping for the number of points you can redeem in a month is 10,000, and post to which whatever reward points you're going to get out of 10,000 reward points, it will be 100 rupees spend, 1 reward point. So that's a simple calculation. Moving towards some of the most dynamic information, according to me, is this. The capping is almost really valuable when it comes to 2000 RP points, reward points. So when you have 2000 reward points in your kitty, the valuation of those reward points can be 0.25 to 0.20. Now initially, in my experience, I've always redeemed Amazon voucher and I've had a lot of happy interaction with the customer care as well. But off late, the value apart from the Amazon voucher has gone somewhat 0.20. So apart from these medical benefits, so-called the major benefits, I really don't think there's any other benefit on this particular card. But still, anybody can spend 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees in a calendar year. And based on that, if you have 10x and 5x reward points, I think in that category, it is not going to be a major loss. So my recommendation for all of you is go for a SBI cashback card, for which I've given the description and the link. And do remember, the sales are about to begin. Another important point, whenever you do transaction with these points on discounted products on Amazon and Flipkart, sorry, no reward points. Till next time, you take care and thanks for watching.